Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that's pretty important but rarely discussed, your libido. Yes, that's right, we're diving into the world of sex drive and what might be affecting it. You might be surprised to learn that your sex drive can take a hit from some unexpected habits. These are things you might not even realize are having an impact. So, let's dive into 5 things that might be killing your libido and what you can do to fix them. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. First up, stress. We all deal with it, but did you know it can seriously affect your sex drive? When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your hormones and lower your sex drive. This stress hormone is essential for survival, but too much of it can be detrimental. Try to incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine, like meditation, exercise, or even just deep breathing exercises. These activities can help lower cortisol levels and bring your hormones back into balance. Next, let's talk about sleep, or the lack of it. Sleep is crucial for overall health, and that includes your sexual health. Not getting enough sleep can throw your hormones out of balance, leaving you tired and uninterested in sex. Your body needs time to rest and recover, and without adequate sleep, your libido can suffer. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your libido in check. Establish a bedtime routine to help you wind down and ensure you're getting the rest you need. Trust me, your body will thank you. You'll feel more energized and ready to take on the day and night. Now here's one you might not expect: diet. What you eat can have a significant impact on your sex drive. Consuming too much sugar or processed foods can lead to weight gain and hormonal imbalances. These foods can cause spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, which can affect your energy and mood. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to keep your energy levels up and your libido strong. A healthy diet supports overall well-being, including your sexual health. Fourth on the list is lack of exercise. Physical activity is not just good for your heart and muscles, it's also great for your sex drive. Physical activity boosts your mood and improves your circulation, both of which are crucial for a healthy sex drive. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and improves blood flow, which is essential for sexual function. Even a 30-minute walk a day can make a big difference. So, get moving. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or yoga, and make it a regular part of your routine. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of wine may set the mood, excessive drinking can actually decrease your libido. While a glass of wine may set the mood, excessive drinking can actually decrease your libido. Alcohol can interfere with your body's ability to produce hormones and can lead to dehydration, both of which can affect your sex drive. It's all about moderation, folks. Enjoy your drinks, but be mindful of how much you're consuming. Stick to 1 or 2 drinks and you'll be just fine. Moderation is key to maintaining a healthy libido. So there you have it, 5 habits that might be killing your sex drive and some simple ways to turn things around. By making a few changes to your lifestyle, you can boost your libido and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing ongoing issues with your libido. They can help you identify any underlying issues and provide personalized advice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time. Take care and stay healthy.